Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a couple of elegant and beautiful cards that were made with the Spellbinders Designer Series Chantilly Paper Lace Collection. For this week's elegant card ideas, I used the Spellbinders Anabelle's Trousseau Layering Frame Medium, number S5-327 by the amazing Paper Grace. One of the things that I love about Becca Feeken's Chantilly Paper Lace collection, aside from its regal beauty, is that it's so versatile. You can use these to decorate greeting cards, as you can see on here. You can also use them to decorate the front of your notebooks, as you have seen in previous videos, and use them on your mini albums. Hey, what better way to decorate that front cover of your mini album than with one of these Spellbinders Designer Series large frame dies? And you can also use them on your 12 by 12 layout. And oh my gosh, I could see these type of dies being used in bridal albums. And friends, before you know it, wedding season will be upon us fairly quickly, and what better way to build up your arsenal than with the Spellbinders Designer Series Chantilly Paper Lace collections. These are absolutely stunning, as you can see, and oh my gosh, just imagine using any one of these sets of dies for your granddaughter's wedding album or your daughter's wedding album, or a niece or a friend or whomever that you're gifting a wedding album to. You'll find a link to the Anabelle's Trousseau Layer in Frame dies in the description area below, and I will also link my other projects using the Spellbinders Chantilly Paper Lace collection and the links to those dies as well. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you are not already a subscriber to my channel, and I would appreciate a thumbs up and leave me a nice comment. I will see y'all again in the next video.